What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. You join me today with the Ford Transit Connect for a quick tutorial on how to remove and replace any rear bulbs, i.e. brake light bulbs, reverse light bulbs, fog light bulbs. Dead easy video, and the first thing you want to do is open the back doors. So, go straight in the back and look sort of around to where the back of the rear lights would be, and you're going to see these plastic sort of screws, if you like. Some of them will just undo by hand, but you'll find if it's a bit tight, get a pair of grips or an adjustable, due to the shape they are, will grip him, as I'll show you here. Adjustable on, and that turns it like so. That bottom one was a bit tight, but let's just undo it with that. And you're just going to undo these two plastic, right, what you call them, nuts, plastic nuts. Right, so there's one. And there's the other. Be careful that the light doesn't fall out when you do it. I mean, it shouldn't do. And if you go back on the outside, you should now be able to pull it loose, like so. So, now we've slid that out, that will reveal the electrical clip here. There'll be a tab on the other side, or it might just pull out. Yeah, it's a little tab on the bottom of it. You spin it around like that. See there? There you go. And the finger is down there, like that. And try not to drop it like I just have. And this is your rear light cluster. Now, put this down somewhere. You'll see there's some little plastic tabs down it. There's one at the end here, and there's two tabs on the side. Now, if you squeeze them in, I think, yeah, if you squeeze them in, you might need two hands for this. And this one, sort of clipped out, you'll be able to slide out this whole central plastic bit which houses all the bulbs. So I'm just going to put the camera down, get that out, and we'll have a look at the bulbs themselves. Alright, got that out. As you can see, this one's a little bit corroded on all the electrical bits, but it's not too bad. So if you've got some like electrical cleaner spray and a little wire brush or something, give it a tidy up and give it all a clean, so everything works right and you're less likely to get blown bulbs and stuff. I know all the bulbs in this work, I'm just getting it out to show you guys for the video. But this leaves your rear light bulb, your brake light bulb, your indicator bulb and a fog light bulb. So that's all your rear light cluster. Dead easy, that's dead easy to pop out with two hands. Just squeeze in these two clips and it slides out a bit, and then pull that one back and slide the back out, and it comes out dead easily. So when you've done that, you've replaced any bulbs that need changing, cleaned it up a bit. To put it back on, you're just going to put them all in together like so, and then this bottom will probably clip in first. Might be a bit fiddly. Again, a lot easier with two hands. Oh, there we go, just a push down really and it all clips back in. Now, you've got that back in, new bulbs on. Just going to come round here. And first things first, get your electric connection. That just slides back on, it's a bit tight. Like so. And then these two threads, there's a hole there and a hole further down. And line them up, slide it back in, like that. And then you can put your little plastic nuts or whatever you want to call them back on. You might want to get a hand on the other side, hold it in place to screw it back on. That was a bit awkward. If you've got someone else around, it'd be good to get them to hold the light while you get the first one in, because you can't get your hand right around the door. You get your hand underneath here if you have to, sort of under from the bottom. You can just about reach to hold it to get the first one in. I just wedged it in the gap with the door with my adjustable handle to hold it in place, and that seemed to work. So I've got that top one in, get the bottom one in. Just need to do finger tight, or if you've got your wrench, you can give them a little nip just to be sure they're nice and tight. And that's that. Right guys, I hope you found this useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That's how to remove and replace the rear light cluster for changing brake light bulbs, reversing light bulbs, fog light bulbs on the Ford Transit Connect Mark 1. If you're new to the channel, my name's Sam Clark, you're watching One Life Cars. Hit that subscribe button for more car and van and bike tutorials. But until next time guys, that's it for today. Peace.